In this video, I'll show you how to request access to Facebook Business Manager step by step. If you need to manage a client's business assets, you can request access without asking for their Facebook login details. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with your Facebook account. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Accounts and choose the asset you want to access, such as Pages, Ad Accounts, or Instagram accounts. Click the Add button, then select Request Access. Enter the page name, page URL, or ad account ID provided by the business owner, and select the correct asset from the search results. Next, choose the permissions you need, such as creating content, managing ads, viewing insights, or full control if required. Review your request carefully, then click Request Access. The business owner or business manager admin will receive your request and must approve it before you can access the asset. Once approved, the page or ad account will appear in your Meta Business Suite with the permissions you've been granted. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.